Acer Swift 7 Review. The world's thinnest laptop comes at too steep a price. When the Acer Swift 7 was revealed at CES 2018, it was billed as the world's thinnest laptop, while still packing a larger 14-inch display and keeping the svelte design. However, the Acer Swift 7 2018 sacrificed too much to retain its thin laptop title. For instance, the Acer Swift 7 uses a unique touchpad solution that doesn't click either physically or haptically, like the MacBook Pro or MacBook Air. Acer made this compromise to retain thinness, but it wasn't worth it. Luckily, Acer fixed this weird design choice in the Acer Swift 2019. Acer Swift 7, 13.3-inch 512GB, at Amazon for $799.99. But it wasn't just the trackpad. Acer also compromised on the processor in the Swift 7, choosing to go with an old, fanless 7th generation Intel Core Y series processor that sees it lag behind the best ultrabooks. And, while it's a beautiful device, and even features built-in Lte compatibility, it's hard to recommend when there are so many better laptops out there. Price and availability. The Acer Swift 7 comes in just a single configuration, calling for $1,699, about £1,280, $2,275, in an all-black or black on gold color option. This will get you everything listed to the right, including a fingerprint sensor for Windows Hello login, as well as an LTE modem and eSIM built-in. However, the HP Spectre 13 is just a sixth of an inch thicker than the Acer Swift 7, and features a more powerful Intel Kaby Lake Refresh Core i7 Ultrabook class CPU, with directly comparable storage and memory. All, while costing less at $1,399, about £1,055, $1,873. However, the Spectre 13's display is about an inch smaller, but it can be configured with 16GB of RAM and a larger SSD than the Acer Swift 7 for just $10 more. The latest 12-inch MacBook from Apple measures slightly thicker at 0.52 inches, and would cost $50 or quid less to match the Acer laptop on memory and storage and provide a sharper display, though it's missing biometric login and some screen real estate. Then, there's the Huawei MateBook X Pro, a